Making money on Amazon is a scam, and everyone knows that you should go to college, get a normal degree, and then get a 9-to-5 job so that you can retire when you're 65 years old so that you have just enough money to live. How does that make any freaking sense? Now, I'm not the type of person that loves talking about all of my students' success stories, even though it is one of the things that makes me happiest on earth. I'm not even the type of person to talk about how we built the largest Amazon FBA community in the world, or the fastest growing, largest Amazon FBA YouTube channel in the world, or the fact that I was featured in Entrepreneur or the Wall Street Journal. And I'm certainly not the type of person to tell you that thousands of people just like you and me, who were told to go to college, get a college degree, and get a normal 9-to-5 job, have been able to leave the cubicle behind forever and earn back their financial freedom. I am the type of person to ask you just one question. Even if there was just a 1% chance that Amazon really does work, and it really has freed thousands and thousands of my students from 9-to-5 jobs they hate, would it be worth just 1 minute of your time to find out?